Hello friends, to another hands-on tutorial. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up Nginx as a reverse proxy for Apache with SSL. I have already discussed about reverse proxy and proxy servers in the last two videos. And also, we have discussed the difference between Apache and Nginx. If you have not gone through it, please check the description section to watch these videos before configure your reverse proxy. Today, we will not discuss any theory. So let's get started. Let's connect to your server through SSH, and this is the command for your connecting to your server. SSH -i, then your PM file path, then your username @ your IP. Enter. This is connected now. So you have to go to the super user access. So for that, the command is sudo su the super user. Enter. So now we will configure our Nginx as a reverse proxy for the Apache. So before that, we have to update the package list to ensure you have the latest package. So for that, the command is apt update, apt update, enter. So it will fetch all the latest package. So now we will install our Apache. So for that, the command is apt install Apache 2. Enter. Yes. After installation done, in Apache installation done, so we have to configure the reverse proxy for Apache. So Apache should listen the other than 80 port. So we have to configure the 88 for the Apache. So we have to configure the port.config file. So once installation done, so we'll do that. Yes, the installation done now. So before changing any port configuration, original port configuration file, we have to copy that and take a backup so that we can if any error occur, we can refer to the original file. So copy cp, the original path is etc apache 2 ports.config, ports.config, conf. So we have to copy another file. Suppose etc apache 2 or the ports.config.backup. So let's do that. etc/apache 2 slash ports backup. Yes, we have taken the backup file now. So we can change our original file now. So for that we will use nano editor. So nano, the file path is etc/apache 2 slash ports.config, ports.conf. Enter. So now you can see this is default port, that is 80. So we will change that to 80. Save it. Yes, now it's done. So before that we have to change the virtual file. So next we will create the virtual file for Apache to solve the sites only the port 8080. So then I will recommend take a backup before do any changes made in any config file. So let's change it. So before that we have to copy cp etc apache 2 sites available. So this configuration I have done many times in previous videos. So this is the same. Sites available 00 default. Sorry, so we have to the destination file also. So let's, the destination file is etc. The same in the same path we will save another file. So you can set a virtual host for your domain. So I will show you like it will be the default file, but you can take a backup for your future reference. Suppose codingx.in. So you can change accordingly your domain's requirement. So suppose my domain is codingx.in, so you can xyz.com, you can .config, you can configure. So let's change it to 88. So I will use again the default file here. So so no need to enable again my codingx.in config file. So I will do that. Yes, this is my codingx.in file. So you can make it 8080. Yes, it's done now. So you just save it, Control X, Y, then enter. Yes, the configure virtual file is configured. So before browse your this domain, so you have to ensure that your security group is allowed for this. If you are using AWS, so let's restart your Apache service, Apache to restart. So it's done now. Go to the browser and check. Codingx.in, port number is 8080. Yes, this is your Apache 2 which is serving 8080 port. So now we will install Nginx, so and configure the reverse proxy for that. So let's go to command prompt again. Yes, so let's install the Nginx. So same command apt install Nginx. Install Nginx. Yes. Yes, installation done. So now we will disable the virtual default virtual file. So for that just follow the below command. For that we have to unleak the default file which is available in etc slash nginx slash sites enabled, and file name is default sites enabled. After disabling this, the virtual host we need to create the file like codingx.config in sites available. Yes, just this is the command for that. Yes, this is the configuration to this is the reverse proxy configuration. Save it. Yes, it's done now. So now we will enable the virtual host using symbolic link. So this is the command for that, ln, and this same same path you can refer here. The etc nginx sites available slash codingx.config codingx.config file and link to the sites enable.config codingx.config. Link to etc nginx sites enabled sorry, not available, it's enabled slash codingx.config file. Yes, done now. So lastly we need to run the nginx configuration test. So for that, nginx minus test, yes, the syntax is okay, test is successful. So restart the server now. Service nginx restart. So after this is configuration done, we will install SSL for that. So again I will tell you this is yeah, the codingx.in is configured now. So let's browse it. This is cache, so let's refresh. Yes, this is the right one. So before that we have to disable the 8080 port so that directly 88 port will be not solved. So for that, this is the command, so I have written. So copy this in its terminal. Yes, so let's disable the 88 for the browser. So directly you cannot connect to 88 port. So now it's done. So let's test 8080, enter. Yes, the site can be reached. So it's done now. So we have to install the SSL for that. So reverse proxy site. To obtain the SSL, we have already discussed the SSL in Let's Encrypt. So the same procedure. So let's add the repository now because Let's Encrypt is always changing the repository and the packages file. So we have to fetch for the latest from the latest. So this is the command for that. Add apt repository certbot, enter, enter. Yes, fetched successfully. It's done now. So we have to install the Python certbot. Yes, it's completed now. So now we have to create a certificate for our domain, certbot nginx. This is most important because we have a reverse proxy on nginx. So we will create the certificate for the nginx, and the domain is codingx.in. Codingx.in, enter. So you have to enter your email ID. So I am entering my email ID here, Trilochan, PRT @gmail.com. Enter. Yes, A, agree. Then yes, Y, enter. So it will automatically reset your virtual file. So select appropriate redirect. So I'll choose to enter. So it will redirect to your HTTPS by default. So congratulations, your certificate chain have been saved. So let's check this one, it's working or not. So go to the browser. Yes, now you can see this is your valid certificate for your reverse proxy on Nginx. Thank you for watching. This video was to understand how to configure Nginx as a reverse proxy for Apache with SSL on Ubuntu 18.04. If you like the video, please like, share, and if you have any queries, please comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.